Today I will do lamination on a phone back cover. Please watch this video till the end as I'll be covering every step I did in detail. I have this clear sheet which I bought it from a dollar store. I'll be using this sheet on the back of this phone. Now I will mark around the phone with a marker so I know how much of the sheet I will use. Next I will separate the marked area of the sheet by cutting it with scissors. Yeah, I'm just trying to make it flat. I just want to make sure that the marking is accurate because the phone was moving when I was marking. Now I will cut around the marked area. I'm just gonna round the edges. Just trying to see if it's the size, if the size is good. Now I'm ready to install the sheet on the phone. I'm just gonna peel the sheet. Since I touched the phone, it's got my fingerprints. I'll clean the phone again. Always make sure to use microfiber towel. A microfiber towel is very good for cleaning surfaces and it does not scratch the surface. So slowly I'm gonna install the sheet I'll try to take the air bubbles out as much as I can. This sheet has a glue on it. It's a very light glue. It doesn't damage the phone cover. I'm just trying to make it stick very good. Now I will use a knife to cut around the fingerprint sensor and the camera. I will not cut around the flashlight because I use a clear sheet and light will pass through easily when I use the flashlight. You just have to be very careful when cutting around the camera or the sensor. Now I'm gonna peel off the cut piece. I think it's the sheet is a little bit wider because it covers the buttons on the side and the microphone on the bottom. So I'm just gonna cut the excess. I didn't put the sheet at the bottom so I can have the charging port uncovered so I can easily plug into charge. As you can see, the flashlight working perfect. So there I have a beautiful phone case lamination. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so and hit the bell notification, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.